Welcome to our channel. If you see unauthorized charges on your bank account, follow these step-by-step instructions to dispute them and recover your money. Step 1. Review your account immediately when you notice suspicious transactions. The sooner you report fraud, the better your chances of recovering funds and limiting liability. Step 2. Contact your bank's fraud department right away using the number on your card. Report the unauthorized charges and ask them to freeze your card to prevent additional fraudulent transactions. Step 3. Understand your liability under federal law. For debit cards, you have zero liability if reported before charges, $50 if reported within 2 days, and up to $500 if reported within 60 days. Step 4. File a formal dispute in writing even after calling your bank. Send a letter within 60 days of the statement date, containing the error, describing the unauthorized transactions specifically. Step 5. Provide supporting documentation for your dispute. Include receipts, correspondence, police reports, or other evidence proving you didn't authorize or benefit from the charges. Step 6. Request provisional credit while the investigation proceeds. Federal law requires banks to restore disputed funds within 10 business days in most cases while they investigate. Step 7. Cooperate fully with the bank's investigation by providing requested information. Answer questions honestly and supply additional documentation promptly to support your claim. Step 8. If the bank denies your dispute, request a detailed explanation and appeal if appropriate. You have rights to escalate complaints to banking regulators if you believe the denial was unfair. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.